130 down mid. 6 right over small crest bump. Repeat, 6 right into small crest bump. Into 3 right cut. 3 right. 40. 6 right over small crest. And 4 left. Caution. 2 right. Tidy. Don't cut. Repeat. 4 left. Caution. 2 right. Tidy. Don't cut. And 2 left. And 2 left. Yeah. 40. 6 right. 100. 3 left long tightens, don't cut, and 2 right. 3 left long tightens, don't cut, and 2 right. Loose. 2 right. Into 4 right long. 40. Turn hairpin left. Turn hairpin left. And 6 right flat. 6 right flat and 5 left cut. 40. 5 left opens over small crest. And 5 right. 60. 6 left. And a hairpin right deceptive. Repeat, hairpin right deceptive. 6 for 80 flat. Continues for 80 flat. Into 6 right flat. 60, small crest, and 3 left tightens over junction. Repeat, 3 left tightens over junction. Into 2 right. Into 2 right. 2 left. 2 right. 2 left. 40, 3 left long. 3 left long. Turn hairpin right. 3 left long, turn hairpin right. 130. Don't cut. 130. 2 left cut at lane, and 6 left over small crest. 2 left cut, and 6 left over small crest, 40. 5 left tightens over crest bump. Big cut. 5 left tightens in 2 left long. 2 right don't cut. 2 right don't cut. Small crest right of mid. Small crest right of mid. Into 3 left. Into 3 left, 80, small crests, 4 right tightens, immediate hairpin right. Repeat, 4 right tightens, immediate hairpin right. 170, 5 left plus cut, 150, keep left in, 3 right narrows drift, over small crest, 40, 5 left long. 5 left long and 5 right. Repeat, 5 right. 60, 2 left tightens deceptive. 2 right tightens deceptive and 5 right long. 5 right long flat. 60, 6 left. 80, small crest long right of mid. 40, 6 tightens into a 4 left long tightens. Into a 3 left. Repeat. 6 left long over small crest, tightens into 4 left, tightens into a 3 left, immediate 2 right long, immediate 2 right long, into 2 left. And 2 left tightens, immediate 2 right, tidy, immediate 2 right. No, yeah, 2 left tightens, immediate 2 right, tidy, tight, into 2 left opens, 60 through post, turn hairpin left. Repeat, post, turn hairpin left. 6 right flat. 6 right flat, into 3 left flat, and 6 left, and 6 right, small crest mid, and 5 right flat, cut, 100, 6 right over small crest, 6 right over small crest, 80 turn hairpin right, post exit tidy, post exit tidy, then it's fucking flat. Post, 130, flat over small crest mid, 150. Bump, dip, keep right for a 6 left over crest. Just back her off, don't chuck her off, Bo. 6 left over crest, bump, 150. 150, 6 right, flat over crest, 150. 6 left long, and 6 left slowing, lane, small crest, immediate 3 left. Crest, immediate 3 left. And, bit more. 3 3 left, and 4 left long. Repeat, 4 left long, into a 6 right over small crest bump. And 5 left tightens over crest bump, small cut, 60 down. 5 right, 60. 5 right, 4 left, 3 right, 4 left, 3 right tightens into a hairpin right. 3 right tightens into a hairpin right. And 2 left over small crest. 2 left over small crest. 2 left long open. 2 left long open. 80 up mid. 6 right over small crest. Repeat. 6 right over small crest. 80 down mid. Flat over crest jump left of mid. Repeat, left of mid 150. 5 right long tightens into a hairpin right. Repeat, 5 right long tightens into a hairpin right. And 6 right. 4 left continues for and tightens for 130 into a 2 left. Continues and tightens for 130 into a 2 left bow. 2 left. 60. 6 left flat over small crest. 60. Small crest into a 3 left long into a 4 right flat. 3 left long into a 4 right flat. 200. Small crest jump left of mid. Sudden 5 right over small crest. 5 right over small crest. Into a 4 left. Turn hairpin right. 40. 4 left over small crest. 40. Turn 2 right. Turn 2 right. 250 down mid. 3 right over crest jump. 3 right over crest jump. 40. 3 right over small crest. 3 right over small crest. 60. 6 left continues for 100. Repeat. 6 left tightens and continues into a 3 left tightens. Into a 3 left bow. Big cut under tree. And 4 right flat. And 4 right long. And 6 left over small crest cut. Flat. 100. 6 left crest bump. And 4 right dip. 4 right dip. Small crest. 5 left cut. 40. 6 right over small crest. Flat. 80 down. 6 right long. Flat. 60. 3 right. 3 right. 100. 3 left over small crest. Caution. 3 left over small crest. Caution. 150. 6 left over small crest. Flat. 150. 6 left over flat over small crest. Bump into a 3 left cut. 3 left cut. Into 4 right long. Continues for 100. And continues for 100 long. 4 right. And a 4 right. And a 4 right. And a 5 left tightens into a 5 left. 5 yeah, steady. 5 yeah.
What's this? What's this?
5 left. 100. Hairpin left. Opens. 80. Turn hairpin right. Long. Opens. Post inside. Hairpin right. Long. Opens. Post inside. Keep it together, Bo. 3 left flat. 5 right. 150 up mid. Turn hairpin left. Open. Turn hairpin left. Open. 200 up mid. 4 right. Into a 3 left. Don't cut. Repeat. 4 right. Into a 3 left. Don't cut. 3 left. Don't cut. 5 right. 130 up mid. 5 right. 130 up mid. 4 right. 4 right. 6 left. Long. Tightens over small crest. 4 left. 4 left. 4 right. We haven't got far. 4 right. 40. 6 left opens over small crest. And 3 right. 3 right. 60. Turn 3 right. Big cut. Turn 3 right. Big cut. 40. 6 left continues and tightens for 100. 6 left continues and tightens for 100. 4 right cut. 40. 6 left. Steady, Bo. 6 left. 100. 6 left. 4 right over finish. 4 right over finish. Don't throw it off now because we fucking got him. 10:04.
Fucking done him, yeah.
Eh?
10 off in. 7 off.
Come on!
Good boy. Come on, my son.
Keep spitting them. Neil?
I turned the camera off now. We said enough.